Hello students, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Magic of Math. Students, we have started with the series of NAS assignment and we had already done the NAS assignment number 1. So today we will be doing the NAS assignment number 2 of class 10th. So please do subscribe to my channel for all the updated videos. So let's begin with assignment number 2, 10th Mathematics, LO based worksheet for NAS test preparation. Student, the first question is, which of the following is a terminating decimal? Terminating means शांत. इसमें आपको हिंट भी दिया हुआ बेटा. P upon Q is a rational number such that Q can be expressed in the form of 2 raised to the power n, 5 raised to the power m, where m and n are non-negative integers, then the decimal form of this number will be terminating. आपने सिर्फ क्या कंसिडर करना है बेटा? डिनोमिनेटर. आपने डिनोमिनेटर्स के प्राइम फैक्टर्स बनाने हैं और अगर प्राइम फैक्टर्स में 2 की पावर और 5 की पावर आ रही है देन इट विल बी टर्मिनेटिंग. अगर 2 और 5 के अलावा और कोई भी प्राइम नंबर आ रहा है देन इट विल बी नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. अब देखो फर्स्ट केस में वी हैव 8 एंड यू नो दैट 8 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 दैट इज 2 रेज टू द पावर 3. Second part 6. 6 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3. C part 7. 7 is itself a prime number, that is 7. And D part 11. 11 is already a prime number. So you can see that in the first part you have the powers of 2. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपके पास 2 और 5 दोनों की पावर्स होनी चाहिए. अकेली 2 की पावर भी हो सकती है, अकेली 5 की, या 2 और 5 का कॉम्बिनेशन भी हो सकता है. So my answer is A part, that is 7 upon 8 is a terminating decimal. Moving on to question number 2. If the product of two numbers is 300 and the HCF is 5, then you have to find the LCM. In the hint you are given that LCM multiplied by HCF is the product of the numbers. This is a very common property which we come across in first chapter. तो बेटा आपके पास LCM multiplied by HCF is the product of the numbers, that is A multiplied by B. Now you have to find the LCM and HCF is already given to you 5 and the product is given as 300. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे मेरा 5 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो राइट हैंड साइड पे इट विल गो एंड गेट डिवाइडेड. सो दैट गिव्स मी द आंसर ऑफ LCM एज 60. दैट इज माय डी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. So LCM is 60. Beta, question number 3. Which of the following is a prime number? Students, you know that the prime number is a number which has only two factors, that is 1 and number itself. So we will find out the prime number in this. In this, the first option, that is the A option, 221 is divisible by 13. 13 17s are 221. So it has the factors as 1, 13, 17 and 221. So this is not a prime number. 117 is divisible by 3. C option. Because when you add the digits 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7, 9. So it goes in the table of 3 and 117 को जब आप 3 से divide करके देखोगे. So when you divide 117 by 3, then you get the answer as 39. So this is again not a prime number. In the similar way, 1001 is divisible by 13. So this is again not a prime number. So we are left with the option as 223, which has only two factors, that is 1 and 223. Moving on to the fourth question. What is the mean of first 5 odd numbers? Students, the first 5 odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And आपने इसका mean निकालना है, that is मध्यमान. What you will do is you will add all the numbers 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 divided by the number of observations. कितने numbers हैं हमारे पास? 5. So when you add them, you get, बेटा इसको आप suitable rearrangement से add करो. 1 and 9 gives you 10, 3 and 7 again gives you 10, 10 and 10 20, and in the center you have 5, so you get 25. Always try to make your question easy. So that gives you the answer as 5. So the mean of first 5 odd numbers is 5. That is option number B. Then the fifth question, the following data has been arranged in the ascending order: 12, 14, 17, 20, 22, x, 26, 28, 32 and 36. And the median is given. बेटा जब हमने फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट की थी तब इसका लास्ट क्वेश्चन वाज रिलेटेड टू मीडियन एंड उसमें मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था कि अगर सेंटर में 2 वैल्यूज आ जाती हैं तब हम उनका क्या लेते हैं, मीन. अब इसमें नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस हम पहले काउंट करते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is the question in which n is odd. So you will be getting 2 observations in the center. First of all, I'll write the observations for you: 12, 14, 17, 20, 22, x, 26, 28, 32 and 36. So I will start from left and right. I will mark one observation. So I will see that in the center I am left with 2 observations, 22 and x. So for finding the median, what I will do, I will find the mean of these 2 observations. Mean बेटा 2 observations का लेना है तो आप दोनों को प्लस करके डिवाइड बाय 2 करोगे and median is given to you as 23. तो यहाँ पे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे 2 डिवाइड हो रहा है, वहाँ जाके वो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. सो आप 23 को जब 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे यू विल गेट द आंसर एज 46. सो 22 प्लस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 46. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे 22 प्लस हो रहा है, वहाँ जाके माइनस होगा. सो 46 माइनस 22, दैट गिव्स यू द आंसर एज 24. सो हेयर लाइज माई ऑप्शन, दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, 24. I hope the question is clear to you. This question was related to the 5th question which came in NAS assignment number 1, and I explained you there the method to find the median. I hope the question is clear. If you have any doubt in any question, student, then you can message me in the comment section. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and we will be doing the further worksheets too. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you, everyone.